Hi everyone, this is Becky with SmartPlan Marketing, and today I want to show you how you can download and save Keller Williams' new whole database SmartPlan. So just this week, KW released 2 new SmartPlans, and today we're looking at the whole database SmartPlan, and we want to sign into command, which is agent.kw.com with our KW login credentials. Once we are signed in, we're going to navigate to the SmartPlans applet on our left-hand applet menu. So we'll click Smart Plans. And from there, we are going to click the library at the top. If you scroll down, you're going to see this section with Keller Williams. We can scroll over to find the new Smart Plans at the very end. So we have the LE Whole Database Smart Plan, which is the one we're looking at today. And this plan combines the quarterly call plan and the biweekly neighborhood nurture so that you have a comprehensive starter smart plan for everyone in your database. That way you can call people that don't have emails, and you can email people that don't have phone numbers in their contacts. That way you can make sure you are touching on all of your contacts. So you're just going to view the steps if you want to. It's going to add them to 2 different smart plans. Again, the quarterly call plan and the biweekly neighborhood nurture. And then you can just add the smart plan. It's going to ask you to make sure that both of these are downloaded here as well. So you'll see that they are already downloaded, and that's why they're saying success. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to download the smart plan. It's going to tell us that was a success. So you can go back over to My Smart Plans, and we will see it up at the very top since we just did that. And again, you can expand it to view the steps on it. You can edit it if you want to go in and view it differently. You can change the time you wait and delay on those if you'd like. But then we can just save the plan, and that is how we download the plan. To add contacts to our smart plan, we are going to click this square with the person inside of it and the plus sign. And from there, we can search by our contact names. We can filter by our contact tags if we'd like. Filter those, and we can go ahead and we can grab whatever contacts we'd like, or we can grab all of them. And then we would just click Add to Smart Plan. Since we add to Smart Plan, it's going to ask if we want to start all of them now, start them on a specific date, or stagger start them. Of course, we want to make sure we read the TCPA disclaimer and we are staying compliant with that. And then you're going to click Confirm. From there, you'll be able to see the number of contacts on the Smart Plan. Once it updates, we may have to refresh our page first. And you will see the number of contacts that are active on that smart plan. You can view them by clicking the eye, and you can also go through and you can remove all of the contacts from that smart plan if you'd like. But you have that option there. If you have any questions or run into any snags with any of this, please feel free to reach out to us via email. Our email is support@scottleroymarketing.com, and we are more than happy to help out. Hope you have a great day.